How to deactivate your Facebook account but keep Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account while keeping the Messenger. Now, the steps are pretty basic and simple. It's the similar process while you deactivate your account or delete your account. Now, let me guide you through the steps. Open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Head over to three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen just below the messaging icon. Now, once here, go ahead to settings and privacy, and on settings you'll find the option personal and account information. Now open it and here you'll get the option account ownership and control. Once you open that, tapping on it, you'll get the second option of deactivation and deletion. You can read temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Now open it, you can either choose to delete your account or you can either choose to deactivate your account. Now under deactivate your account, you can read that deactivating your account is temporary, your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you have said. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. You can see that in the latest update, you'll already be able to use Messenger even if you deactivate your account. So continue to account deletion. And if you scroll down below, tap and give any reasons here and go to continue and then go ahead and continue. Now you can see I've continued to account deactivation. Here on the Messenger option, you can read your Messenger account will remain active until you deactivate it from the Messenger app. Using Messenger will not reactivate your Facebook account. So go ahead and deactivate your account. Now you can see my account has been deleted now. Now if I go back to Messenger, you can see that I can still use my Messenger account here. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account but keep Messenger. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.